Hello students, let us discuss the chapter today, current and its effects. It's an electric circuit. When you talk about the path in which the electric current flows from a source to a various component. Let us see the diagrammatic situation. So here you can see a battery is connected, a positive terminal is connected to a switch, a negative terminal to a bulb. So if when you can switch on, it shows that there is a complete circuit has been formed and the light is glowing in it. Now let us see what are the components of the electric current, like cell, battery, connecting wire, switch, and so on. Here are some of the figures which is used in you can see the wire, the switch, the bulb, which are required for the to complete a circuit and how is it working. And we also give it as some symbols to donate so that it becomes very specific regarding when you use the electric devices. Let us see the cell, battery, how a switch has to be drawn, what is a voltmeter, ammeter, and so on. So let us see the what are the effects of its electric current. We can see the water heaters, electric irons, room heaters, and so on, which helps in producing heat, but they are used in a different in different places for a different effect. For example, if you see a fridge, it cools, but it has to be through an electric appliances like a TV, geyser, washing machine, and so on. So, what are the heating elements? I mean, what happened? All the appliances which produces actually passing electricity on the basis of the heat is produced when the electricity is passed through this wire. The wire or the coil is actually known as the heating element. Now, it depends upon the length and the thickness of the material of the wire also. So, therefore, it's a common heating elements like a tungsten, which have a high melting and a boiling point. That's why it is used in the bulb. And nichrome, made up of nickel, chrome, and chrome. So you can see the figure of this, how the nichromes, tungstens are produced. And let us see the efficiency of the electric appliances. When an electric energy is partly converted into heat, it leads to a wastage of energy in machine and appliances where heat is not utilized. So therefore, we require an appliances so will where there will be a less wastage of electric energy. So there are two types of household devices which help in reducing this problems of extra energy that are flowing. So that is a fuse or a MCB. What do you call it? Is a miniature circuit breaker. Now look at the fuse. If extra, I mean, electricity is passed through it, the fuse, the wire will break, does not allow extra energy to flow through it. And if it is MCB, I mean, it will trip if extra flow of energy goes, electric energy goes into your house. So these are the fuse which is an household safety used for the principles on heating electricity. It can break the circuit and prevent the current flow from entering and devising and causing damage. Same is the work of the MCV, which helps in say devices in the household which help in to break the circuit and also automatically go